There are 4 reasons why we represent a new way in domestic heating. Firstly is we are the same size as a gas combi. We use exactly the same pipes and we fit in the same space. So for the installer, it's incredibly simple. You take the gas combi out and you put us in. It's very cheap and cost effective to install. No new pipes, no new radiators, a great consumer proposition. Secondly is we operate in the same way as a gas combi. So the consumer doesn't have to think about how much hot water it's using. They have instant, constant hot water and central heating delivered from the same unit. Thirdly, we have a performance which is the same as the gas combi. We deliver hot water at 30 kilowatts and we deliver central heating at 10 kilowatts. Finally, it's the cost proposition. Our unit cost is much closer to the gas combi. We're at £4,500 per unit plus VAT. It's much more within the consumer's concept than a heat pump or a heat battery. Running costs can also be reduced because, of course, by using batteries, we're taking energy off peak and then they can be used on peak.